So hello everyone, as you can see this is the exercise 6.3 question number 4. So in the given figure what is given to us, they gave us ratios of the two sides that is equals to each other, and then they told us that two angles are same. By using this criteria we have to prove that the triangle PQS is similar to triangle TQR. Means what we have to prove? Angle P should be equals to angle T, Q should be equals to Q, and S should be equals to R. So here we are beginning our process that how we can prove it. Here one small complicated thing will be that here we have to recognize the figure. So here I am indicating with different color what they have given. They gave us this QR, this whole QR by this small QS. So I am indicating that QS by some different color. So by this QS. Then they told us that that is equals to QT, means this whole QT by this PR. So this PR is of red color. So let us indicate with red color, because as we know that what we are comparing, this whole by that whole and this part by this part. But as you can see from figure you will be little bit confused because it is not included in triangle. That how this PR and that QT having a ratio, because they are not forming any triangle. So here we will use this condition, that is angle 1 equals to angle 2. So here is given in figure that angle 1 is equals to angle 2. It means that if in the 9th standard we learn this, if two interior angle are same, means that their two sides are same, because it forming isosceles triangle. So if two angles are same, so we can write that PQ and that should be equals to that PR. So if we are using PQ is equals to PR, so what we have to do here in a condition, what is given? QR by QS. So we will keep QR by QS as it is. And that is equals to QT by PR. And if we are giving it name as number 1 on the place of this PR, now we can write that PQ. So if I am rubbing and if I am changing PR as PQ, so now the condition got changed. So from if condition got changed, what we are getting? So let us see what we are getting. So we got new ratio, and now what we having, again I will indicate with some different color, means that QR, that is our yellow color, by QS, by this small QS, is equals to that QT, means this whole thing, by PQ. So by PQ we are indicating with red color. So you now as you can see over here we having one large triangle, and that having name as QTR, and another triangle that is PQS or PQR. So here we can use that by taking our both the triangle that which we have to prove, and that is how we can prove it in easy way. So now here I will discuss it in expanded form. So here you can see that expand form of it, that how to write this question, because to understand this question that is easy. How it is easy? So here one angle is equals to another angle, angle 1 equals to angle 2. We just replace this side PR by that PQ. We got another ratio, and by that ratio we can prove two triangle as congruent. But how to write it? So let us begin our process. So here I am beginning the process. So here we can write, that is in triangle PQR. So I am writing in triangle PQR, angle 1 is equals to angle 2 that is given to us. That's why the side PR will be equals to PQ. This is how we wrote, because side opposite to equal angle of triangle are equal from that. So I am writing in a bracket side opposite to equal angle are same. So from that we have written this thing. Now if we are writing our given, what is given to us? That ratio, that is QS up, that is QR by QS, and that is equals to QT by PR. And if we are giving this as equation 1, and if we are changing the value, if we are substituting value of this PR over here and we are writing PQ over there, so how it looks? So it will looking like QR by QS will be equals to QT by PQ. So on another page let us write, so it will be comfortable for us. So let us take a new page. So if we are writing, so it will become QR by QS, and that will be equals to QT by PQ, because we already proved. Where we have proved, so here we will give another name, prove in A or anything, whatever you like. Let us give it as 1, not that one. We are giving it as 1. So here we can write proved equation so here we got a ratio. Now if we are talking about two triangle, and that triangle we have to prove that are in triangle PQS and triangle TQR. Now how we will prove these two triangles similar? So here we having ratios of the two sides is same. So we will use, and we will use one angle. So how we will use that one angle? So now here, as you can see over here, we will use this angle Q common in both of them, but they having different name. One triangle we are talking about PQS, so that angle 1 is also there. And if you are talking about TQ and R, there is Q. The angle is same, that Q is there, but the name of that will be different, so we will write in another way. So here we will write that here angle, not triangle. Here PQS is equals to angle TQR, and the ratio as we wrote from 1, that is QS upon QR is equals to QP upon QT. So if we can write this ratio, means two sides having same ratio and one angle is same, means two triangle are similar. Which two triangle? Triangle PQS will be similar to triangle TQR. But from which criteria we can use? So here we will have used side angle side. This is how we prove this. So if you want to write the answer, I will give you in detail, so you can write from there. But for your understanding, this question is very easy. You not have to think about anything. It is very easy. You just have to take these two triangles same. If these two triangles are same, this and this side will be same, and you just have to replace this PR by PQ, and the all thing will be changed and all thing will be equal, because QR by QS means one triangle is the TQR and another triangle is PQS. So this is how you can prove this question, and it is very easy. So here as you can see the question, I am reading the question. S and T are the point on side PR and QR. So S is point over here and T is point over here. Of triangle PQR such that this angle P will be equals to RTS, means central angle is T. So that is equals to this. But we have to show that triangle RPQ is similar to triangle RTS. Whatever we have to prove, let us draw in roughly, so we will get idea very easily. So if we have to talk about triangle RP and Q, and we have to prove it similar to triangle RTNS. So here you can see both having R common. Okay. And from this given, we can write that this angle P and this RTS is same. So by using angle similarity, we can write these two triangles as similar. So this thing is very easy. You just have to write. How to write? Let us show you. So here we will write. We have triangle RPQ and triangle RTS. And if we are talking about their similarity, what we having? So we will say angle R is equals to angle R. But the name of angle R will be changed. Here we have to write PRQ. So here we will write PRQ. And that is equals to that angle, that is TRS. So here I am writing. How this we wrote? So we will write common. So from common we can write. Then what is given to us? So they gave us this angle P is equals to, so we will write that angle P is equals to angle RTS. How this is we wrote? From given. If we having two angles same, so we can directly write triangle RPQ. That should be similar to which triangle? This one, RTS. From which criteria we have used? So it is very easy. We have used AA similarity. So in bracket we will mention AA similarity. A detailed question I am giving you how to write it, so you can write from there. Hence this question is proved. This question was very easy. You not have to do any hard work. You just have to take out two figures. As I have drawn over here, I have taken two figures and I have drawn it differently, and I just found that R is common over there. So we just wrote R is common over there, and then we found that whatever is in given that we can see over here, and then directly we have used AA similarity criteria, and easily it is proved. So that is the very easy question that you can write by yourself.